Welcome to this tutorial on creating users in the PREP tool. Adding users allows you to manage access and permissions efficiently within your organization. If you are an organization admin, you can create users for your organization. To create a user, first, click the Users menu from the left-hand navigation panel. On the Users page, click the plus button to open the user creation form. Enter the user's name and email ID. Now, choose an access level for the user for the Remediation Services platform. Select Organization Admin for full access. Or select User for basic permissions. Configure file permissions, including options to view, edit, upload, and delete files. Set the automated alt text configuration to grant PREP users access to different alt text APIs. To enable API access, simply turn on the radio button. Note, some options, such as file permissions and automated alt text, may be preset or disabled based on your selected subscription plan. You can find the subscription details in your welcome email. Finally, click Save and Close to add the user. You can create up to n number of users based on the number of available licenses. You can also edit, notify, or delete a user using the Action menu on the Users page. That's it. You've successfully created a user in the PREP tool. Thank you.